Hey everybody, it's Dulce Candy, and today I have a very special video. I'm actually very excited to sit down with Melissa and Michelle, two of the leading ladies of the new show called Vida. They're two Mexican-American sisters from the East Side, finally coming back home, and I'm so excited to chat with them about their new show launching May 6th. So excited about it on STARZ. So thank you so much for just being here today. I'm so excited to talk to both of you. I know that at the core of this show, there's so much family in it, right? So both of your characters are developing throughout the story, and I want to know what family means to both of you.
We're Latin.
Yeah.
Family is a huge thing
Very
for us.
connected.
And huge in heart and huge in size.
Yes. To me, personally, family is everything. Like, I put my family first, and my mom is here for the premiere.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, and my
that's the
sisters
best.
wish they could be here, and my whole family is very close. And I think that family is like a pillar that's very necessary in life, and they keep you grounded.
There's the family you're born with, and then also this other extension of the family that you get to choose. And I feel like that way with Meli, like, we're family, we're sisters.
I
and
know.
our show, it really, like with Tanya and like the cast.
Yeah, the whole Vida family, that's what it's become.
And you can see it from far away because we're all dancing to the music, taking pictures. I'm like, wow, that's a really nice and beautiful dynamic to have.
We're very good about creating a team that was very true to the story that we were telling. So there was a lot of Latinx in the crew, and
so much,
our DP is from Colombia, Carmen Cabanas, brilliant.
Our casting director, Carmen Cuba, is a Peruvian.
Yes, and so everyone in the team was Latinx, which is cool because, like, we have to support each other. Yes.
Yeah.
Just the fact that we never really see ourselves properly represented. It's either stereotypical or we're not seen.
Totally.
So how do you guys see Vida making an impact?
It's a story that was written by us, for us. I think it also invites a larger audience to see what our experience is. We've been saying that it's really an American story through the brown gaze. I think we're really seeing characters that we haven't really seen on TV.
We're always looking for something to connect us with what we're seeing on screen. I feel like this show is gonna hit closer to home for all of the Latinx community in the United States. And I think it's gonna be something really special.
I also wanted to ask you, how do you find the courage to really connect to your characters, and how do you tap into the characters?
You find it when you decide to become an actor, because it's part of the job. Like, you have to be vulnerable. I remember reading some of the most intimate and vulnerable scenes from my character. I was scared. I was scared of the moment where I was gonna have to step on set and do those things and expose myself in that way. But I think that's the way that you draw people in. So you just have to do it. You have to go there.
You just gotta go.
Totally. I know for me, I tend to, I looked at Emma with what the writers had in the script. It was like a little package that was dropped off. And then you open it up, and you start unpacking the pieces. And it feels a little terrifying at first. You look at it and you're just like, I don't know if I can do this. Because Emma is so much more guarded than I am, and is so much more just like kind of leaning forward and always pushing against the world. I think for me, you just really start with, okay, but how are we the same?
All right, so thank you ladies so much. It was such a pleasure talking to both of you.
Meeting you.